I know it's late. For sure, some of you guys are sleeping. Make sure I get a check before I go to sleep. But I don't want to remove this makeup. It's so good. It is so good. And people think, what, I do my own makeup. Guys, I do my makeup at Shara Hair. Hi, Mpumi. At Shara Hair. Oh, yeah, look, my wife. Guys, I posted a video of me speaking Sesotho. It's really, like, I am so nervous because, like, what the heck? Well, it's so to plus. Can I go give me close? Hello. Wait, I can't see you. Where are my glasses? I can't see now. Hello, Tandoloitu. This light is too bright. It's very bright. But guys, I just wanted to beg you guys to buy the tickets, guys. It's gonna be so nice. Please come. Please come. The glasses is on. Please come, guys. Ooh. Hi, makeup. Okay. Now it's late. Guys, I can't ticket, Joe. Masiene Kawen, Joe. Hello, please. Okay. Like, please, like, Mara, if Sabatli, it's fine. I'm not gonna force. But how are you guys? Are you guys okay? Did you guys enjoy your day? Because I did. I'm closer. Yes, I'm closer. How are you? I'm okay. I did something. Guys, I did something and I'm proud of myself. I did something that I've always wanted to do, which is talking to. My glasses look so weird. Okay, I did something. I decided to go and interview people. Like, keep well about to so keep a positive question. Guys, I don't like talking. I'm trying to kuluma, but I need to. Yeah, but I have to. Please pray for me. I'm writing meds tomorrow. I'll pray for you, my babes. Come on, Ezile. Hi, Ezile. Oh my God. Unjani, Ezile. Yo, ndiqhibele kudala. Hayibo. Ezile. Ngicela ungisendele imessage. Ish, ngizokusesha. Ngizokhuluma nawe ngifuna izinamba zakho zokukhuluma. Because what the heck? What? Hi, Sino. What? Oh my God, guys, I'm so excited. Yo, my cousin, not my cousin, my cousin. I don't know. Your cousin yam kodwa. About Velalan. How? Ezile, I miss you too. Nkosi yam. Yeah. Was fihla. Khotweng. So I got my hair from Shara Hair. Yeah, I wanted Kelly hair, but they didn't have Kelly hair for me. But I decided to make a plan with this hair. Yeah. Ngiyaphila njani Sino? Dumelang, re tswele kae? Guys, ke dirile video ke le tseka for le reke di ticket. Ke go ba le like a video because ke qala go bua ka mo ka TikTok. Please. Ngiyacela Joe. Let's go to church, Joe. Like ha re lo vuthisa ko kerekeng hle. Hape Pastor Philippi wa tla o tla South Africa la tlhaloganya ba. La tlhaloganya. I can understand la tlhaloganya, but Pastor Philippi is coming to South Africa and I don't think you guys are ready because me now I'm ready because I'm going to see him face to face and be like, "Hey Joe, yes, I used to watch you, Joe." Not I used to watch you. And then, "Hey Joe." In Tang Joe, like who will I say South Africa? Ngiyacela Joe. Ngiyacela understand ukuthi yazini Pastor Philip is coming to South Africa. I'm so excited. I don't know. Like I can't for saying like ke so kerekeng ya rema ne. Ke tswa kerekeng ya rema. Ke bone ditulo tseo ka imagine for itse king ha Pastor Philip a preacher How we worship together, how we praise together. Oh my God. Guys, please come. Because we can't take content. Like, you can't take content. But yeah, guys, if you can't, it's fine. I understand. I will understand. Which church, my love? I'm closer. But ke bua Sesotho because ke swa blomo and wa itse blomo re rata go mixa akere. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna go. I love you guys so much. Thank you for joining. I just wanted to say hi and beg you to like buy the ticket. Buy the ticket. Oh, did you see the t-shirt, guys? Oh my God. Like, like go busy, ma go monate. Hey, wa etsa jwalo mata. Yewe. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go. Ne. I love you guys so much. The Robert Monati. And yeah. Ciao. Yo! Ke kgathetse jwang.